You will be missing out if you don't try this recipe. It's kofta rolled in zucchini, cooked in yogurt, tahini sauce, served with vermicelli rice. So cozy, so good. Give it a try. Let me show you how to make it, and let's get started. You're gonna start by peeling 3 to 4 zucchinis. Use a vegetable peeler and take your time. You can use a mandolin, but I really prefer this method. Place in a clean bowl when you finish the whole amount. You're gonna lightly season with salt, black pepper, dry mint, olive oil. Mix the whole thing very gently. You don't want to break them apart. They're very fragile. Set them aside for a little bit. Oil a 13-inch cast iron pan. I've already prepared 2 pounds of ground chuck into kofta, just like so, by adding some spices, parsley and onion. I will leave the kofta mix in the description box below. And you can use sirloin, you can actually use a mix of beef and lamb. It's totally up to you. And it's always best to prepare the kofta first. Let it rest at room temperature for best results. It'll cook much nicer. And then prepare the zucchini. You're gonna roll in 2 to 3 strips of zucchini. The strips are thin enough to wrap around the kofta easily. Finish the whole tray, set aside, and let's make the sauce. You're gonna add half a cup of tahini sauce, sesame tahini, half a cup of plain yogurt, 1 teaspoon of cornstarch. I find it holds the sauce much nicer. Whisk a little, season lightly with salt, mix well, and then you're gonna add the juice of 1 big lemon. You're gonna whisk after adding the lemon, and you're gonna notice that the sauce is gonna thicken quite a bit. I'm gonna start to thin the sauce with some water. Room temperature water or cool water is fine. I added about 3/4 of a cup. That was perfect. Add the whole amount of sauce on top of the kofta. You're gonna bake at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for about 15 minutes or until it looks perfect, just like so. Don't overcook the kofta. The zucchini will cook in no time. You want a juicy kofta, not a dry kofta. Garnish with some dry mint on top and serve with the most amazing vermicelli rice. This is the ultimate comfort food. I'll add the link for this vermicelli rice recipe in the description box below. This particular one was so good. I browned the butter. I used home chicken stock. It was delicious. I hope you give this recipe a try soon. It is so easy, but yet so impressive to serve in a party or to your favorite crowd. Please check it out, try it, and let me know what you think in the comments box below. And until next time, bon appétit!